Hi, I'm Sango. Today we're going to be texturing these trousers. So first we want to export it ready for Substance Painter, and before I export anything I like to rotate it 90 degrees on the x-axis just so the lighting works better in Substance Painter, because you'll find that the y-axis is the z-axis when you get into Substance Painter, so your trousers are not going to be vertical, they're going to be horizontal, so the front will be facing down and the back of them will be facing up, which will cause some lighting issues. So first we're going to rotate them on the x-axis at 270 just so they're 90 degrees back. And File, Export, and we want to choose .gltf, and then you can Control Z just to get them back in place so that's ready for when we come back into here. So go to Substance Painter, go File, New, make sure the resolution is 512. Open up the file we just exported. And here we are. So first we want to import the normal that we've made earlier. So we're going to click this bucket icon to create a fill layer. And then we can deselect color, height, roughness and metal, and then press this arrow down here to add the resource, which is our normals. Save that as a texture, current session, import, and then we can drag that over to the normal slot, and that's added in all the creases that we've made. You can also find the seamless texture that we made on the other video. Or if it's not there, you can import, add resource as a texture, current session, import, and there we have it. So we can add another fill layer, get rid of the height, the metal and the normal, and we can drag that texture onto the base color. I want to also ramp up the roughness so it looks more like a fabric and less plasticky. And if you scale up, they've got tiling. So this is how many times that texture is going to be tiled across the UV map. So at the minute, it's just once. You're going to want to increase that. That's looking a lot better. We can also change the environment map to more equally light the model. You can find out which one works best for you by switching through them all. Or you can even download some more of them. There's a few websites that you can get free environment maps for, and it just gives you more of a realistic lighting. So we've got that in. Maybe you want to add in a little bit more. So say for these kind of cuffs on it, we wanted a different fabric. There's quite a few ones already in Substance already, so we can go ahead and select one that we like. Now if you feel like you like one of the materials here but not the color can be changed in most cases. So you can just drag and drop it, and then you can create a mask of where it's going to affect. And then if you click here, the polygon fill tool, then you're going to decide what polygons are going to be affected by that mask. And go ahead and do something like that. And that's how to apply the textures, nice and easy. You can go File, Export, Textures. And for Decentraland, it's best if you export them as 2D. So once you've selected where you want to export the textures to, I'm going to select here. Rather than using any of these other output templates, because most of them are just going to export multiple textures, one for your color, roughness, metallic, and so on. We're going to want a 2D view, and that's just going to squash them all into one file, so it's nice and light, ready for Decentraland. So once you've selected that, export, and that's going to have exported your one file there. And then you can come in and select that texture that you just exported to apply it to the trousers. There you go, we've got the trousers imported. So next we're going to be testing them in game, ready to get it published. So I'll catch you in the next one.